What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know, stick the bell icon on. Let me know what you want to see going forward. And yeah, let's get straight into this one quick. So summer's nearly here, so it's time to get prepared. We've got some basketball shorts. So these are OKC Thunder. So we've got that little patch. It is like an iron-on patch, to be honest. It's not like sewn on. You can see from the back, iron-on patch. We've got a Nike swoosh on one side, the NBA logo on the other, again stickers. And then we've got the Thunder patch sewn on the waistband. Pretty plain, to be honest, these shorts. Like, they're not doing much, which I like. They're kind of like a burnt orange color, which I really do like as well. It's got one blue stripe on the side on here, and then another one there. Apart from that, like, there's little stripes here, but they're very plain. Especially the back is just plain. Oops, I shouldn't knock over the tripod. Then we've got the inside, engineered to the exact specifications of championship athletes. Dry fit and the sizing, made in Guatemala. We've also got the label, so the label says standard fit. Then nba.com/stores, and a little code, probably to check if they're real or whatever. And authentics. Obviously they were purchased from Nike direct, so none of that. See, it's been taken off. Nike dry fabric, smooth sweat from your skin for quicker evaporation. All that good stuff. Direct dry fit. But yeah, I really do like the color of these. Really nice, simple shorts, white t-shirt, white trainers on the bottom. Good material, mesh, breathable for the summer. But yeah, let me know what you think of these, my people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, people.